lot of drunk today. A whole drunk thing today. Drunk mother arrested after DUI with her 5-year-old son in the car.
That's where we're going. We're not going anywhere else but jail. Oh my
God! On May 1st, 2020.
Dude, it's one of these. Oh, they make the same noise. I don't know what you call them, but they make the same noise.
4. Officers spotted a car driving erratically, suspecting the driver to be
Bro, that was the widest turn I've ever seen.
4. Officers spotted a car driving erratically.
Bro.
Suspecting the driver to be under the influence, they initiated a traffic stop. Upon making contact with the driver, they found she appeared to be under the influence of alcohol and had a 5-year-old child in the
Oh, wow. Yeah, that was bad. That was bad. She's drunk.
Vehicle.
All right, so I was coming from the courthouse after that deposition, and I was coming southbound on Whitehead. She came flying up Olivia and just like went right through the stop sign and just kind of like...
Oh, there was a stop sign there too. Wow.
Punched the gas into the oncoming lane, then made her way back into the right lane. And so I started my camera. Initiated the traffic stop at Truman and Whitehead.
Okay, yeah, you pulled her over. We got it, buddy.
We'll deal with it while you assess her, but...
It's not a medical condition. We could leave issues. I mean, okay. You're going to talk to Officer Lee. Hi, Amanda. How are you? Hi, how you doing?
Bro, in like the front seat. What are you doing? Like sitting with you? What?
Over here. I'm going to walk them, okay?
I'm going to walk. You can walk with me down here.
Oh my, it's another one. Dude, why, when you're drunk, is that just what you, it's just police? You can just like, oh, I'm just gonna go. But I'm home.
Real quick.
Yeah. I got him. No.
Thank you, man. Man, I need you to come my way, okay?
He under the mat, alright?
She's like blackout drunk. Wow.
Yes.
Come down here and let me speak to you. I'm gonna go in the shade, alright? It's too hot for me over here.
Live here.
I know, we're walking down here. I gotta talk to you about my car.
I'm home. Dude, the last video just before this, the same thing.
About your car?
Yeah, because it's in the shade. I don't want to sit in the sun. It's hot.
No. I ain't going. Come here.
It's right here. You have to come over this way.
No.
Yeah.
My kid right there.
The officer's with your child.
She's like, you're gonna try to make it seem like I'm not at home so you can arrest me. Because you can't arrest me at home, and I know that. And I know my...
I need you to come to my police vehicle over here so I can speak to you. So what's going on today?
Racing right now.
Huh?
Supposedly you're lost.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
We're about to get our HOB.
About to go to HOB?
Yeah.
Where are you coming from before this, though?
Home.
Home? Okay.
Oh, it's the middle of the day. It's 1:52. No. Bro, it's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. I'm dumb. You can't see it because my face is in the way, which is great. It's 3 o'clock in the 3 p.m. and she's just this drunk, dude. Why? And you're going doing errands and driving around with your 5-year-old? What a terrible mother.
Here, come over here. In the shade. Right here, shady.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Okay. The sergeant pulled you over for some violations, traffic infractions, okay?
Yes, I ran a stop sign.
Okay, you ran a stop sign.
More than that.
All right. I'm also here that the sergeant suspects that you've been, you're under the influence of an alcoholic beverage, okay? And I'm here to dispel that belief, whether you are or whether you're not, okay? Okay. Would you
Bro, she's drunk. What are we gonna do? What is the test for at this point? The eye thing. Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On the ninth step,
I like seeing
I want you
them
to
walk,
pivot on the last
they
foot that you
can't.
put down. Okay, stay over there. Stay over there. Not yet. Only stay over there. Then you can proceed the same way back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay?
Hey.
Yeah.
I have to go check on my son.
Where?
Yes, I can do this.
Okay.
Easy.
So let's.
But.
Do you understand the exercise?
Yes.
Let's try the exercise. So
Oh, like, is it the alcohol or is she kind of just a little bit, not all that smart? Like, how does it make you that dumb to be just, oh, I gotta go though.
No, bro.
One.
Listen.
The kid's fine. It's Officer Medina.
That ain't his mom.
So on the line, you're gonna put one foot in front of the other.
Fine. One.
No, all right. Start there. The hands just don't move. Put your hands to the side, one foot in front of the other. All right. Put your right foot in front of your left. On the white line.
Wait, I'm left-handed though.
It doesn't matter. However you want to start. Just keep one foot. All right. You're gonna count that. Once you get the foot in front, you hand your side.
Bro, just walk a straight line. You're making it so confusing, dude. I don't know why this is so complicated. You're making it sound like I'm getting confused and I'm sober and everything. Oh, come on, bro.
Count out 9 steps. Heel to toe. Okay.
One. Nope. I'm going home.
Yeah, ma'am. Are you refusing to continue exercises?
No, I don't.
Are you refusing to continue the exercises? No.
No, I'm going home. Oh my God.
I'm not. No, I'm not refusing.
All right, then you're gonna finish exercises.
You just did.
All right, hold on. These aren't my shoes, so can I do it barefoot?
That's fine.
Why are you doing this? Just arrest her.
Same thing. Start out one foot in front of the other, hands to your side, and count out 9 steps. Okay.
And you said start with the right.
Either foot in front of the other. Doesn't matter which one you want to do.
Well, I'm
In front of the other.
left-handed, so I'm left-footed.
Okay. Put that in front.
Just walk.
3,
3.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn. Oh shoot! You want me to do this?
Good.
Dude, this is embarrassing.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
There.
Okay. You go. One more test. Okay. Stand over here with me. Okay. Turn to me.
Alright.
Okay. This is
And
called
she really thinks she passed that too. I'm not gonna watch this next one. We're just wasting time, buddy. Arrest her.
Start counting.
2, 3, 4,
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We good? Technical diff? We good?
Okay. Can I just see something in your pocket here?
Yeah.
Don't go for that.
No. I'm not gonna hurt you. You're gonna.
Okay.
Yeah. But
Turn around.
don't keep it
Turn around.
though.
Hands behind your back.
Listen, don't get a resisting
I'll
charge.
catch another.
Come on your side.
No.
Okay, we're just going to bring you in, and we'll give you an opportunity to use the
Poppy.
BTO.
No.
Okay, the breath test.
Hold that hand.
All right, but if you get a resisting charge,
You didn't
then
give.
you definitely go to jail, okay?
Okay, but you
So
didn't.
Stop holding my hand.
Just
you didn't
relax.
Right
give
now.
the breath test.
I understand we're going to do that right now, but we have to transport you, and you have to be in handcuffs
No.
to transport, okay?
No.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me knock on that door.
Nope, we can't let you go anywhere, okay?
Good.
Anything
Okay.
on you, listen to
No.
me. We'll explain everything to you, okay?
No.
We'll
Hell
explain
no.
everything to you.
All right, they're gonna arrest her. This is just so slow. Dude, he doesn't cut out anything. This is all just like kind of boring stuff. Like, yeah, you get her in the car, no problems.
Hey.
Just let me go.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Through her head.
No, she slipped her cuffs.
She what?
Slipped her cuffs.
They're off of her?
Bro, these guys are so slow, it feels like.
We pulling over on US Highway 1. She pulled her cuff out somehow. Nope, stay in.
Oh.
Give me your hand.
What? Which hand? This hand?
Here, give me this hand.
Yeah, the one that's not
Listen,
with
this is not going to go well for you.
Hey, I'm not.
Listen,
Oh, she gets another charge. That's it.
Hey,
Listen,
ow!
give me the other hand. Give me the other hand.
Hey, listen.
Give me the other hand.
Oh my goodness.
Give me the other hand.
You can have my hand, but why are you
Give
so
me this
hard?
hand. Turn around and give me this arm
Why are
now.
you so hard?
Give me this arm now.
I'm
You're
not
not
gonna.
listening.
You need to
Obviously.
listen to me when I tell you what to do.
Okay, but
You unlocked it for
why
me?
are you coming so
Down
aggressive?
here.
Like,
You're
I'm not
drunk.
gonna hurt you whether my.
You were gonna kill your 5-year-old.
Cold beverage, you understand? You're going to jail. That's where we're going. We're not going anywhere else but jail.
Listen.
Jail, okay? That's where you're going.
Good.
You're
Slam the door.
hurt. What are you pushing? Why are you pushing my ass?
I'm putting your seatbelt on.
Yeah, you just can't fit. That's on you.
Very nice, she's back in cuffs.
There it is. It's much more poetic when you kind of weave in the story and everything, you know? It sounds better at that point. She accepted it at this point.
I need a phone.
We're gonna get you a phone. We're
No.
gonna get you a phone call. Yeah.
Nope, she hasn't. All right. All right, that's not bad. I mean, these are AI. Should I be liking that? Or am I just like feeding the beast? Yeah, let me not do that. All right. Anyway, the next one's gonna be simple traffic stop leads to the discovery of a body, which is crazy. Finally, no drunk people in this one. I'm down.